Hey, this is Eddie with Multi-Man Services. Just got done doing a gutter clean here. You can see that got everything cleaned out of the gutters. On this backside here, a lot of debris sitting on the shingles, roof area. You asked about the condition of the shingles and the trees and your gutters. So, in my professional opinion, I would suggest that the north side of your house, hard to see from here, but you have a lot of shade from the oak trees and the pine tree. You got a lot of lichen and algae starting to develop, so at a minimum a partial roof clean would be good. And these sponges here, in theory, are unfortunately not solving the problem that they just basically gunk up, and the whole gutter is full of water on all of your sides of your gutter. Not a fan of the sponges. I'd prefer to see a gutter stick or some raindrop gutter guards on your gutters if you decide to go down that road. We're going to finish cleaning up. Once again, Eddie Multi-Man Services. Any questions you have about our service, don't hesitate to give me a call. We'll take good care of you. My cell, 815-520-6020. Thank you.